Welcome to the Michigan Travel Show, a kaleidoscope of stories about the people, places, and events that shape our great state.
Okay, so my name is Tony Sauerbrey. I'm the UAS Program Manager at Northwestern Michigan College. We're located in Traverse City, Michigan. So we have a 2-year associate's degree in UAS where students go through getting everything from their Part 107 commercial drone license to introductory type drone experience, and also learning a lot about what the applications are, so taking drones out and doing things like agricultural spraying, inspections, land surveying, and all those applications that we're doing right now with drone technology. And then also we kind of go one step further and get students more involved with advanced drone operations, flying larger gas-powered drones, airplane-style drones that can fly long distances and everything. Along with the operations, though, we do have a technician side as well. So students do learn hands-on putting drones together and soldering wires and fixing them and doing training on new systems and getting them up and doing test flying and whatnot. So yeah, we're actually continuing to expand. We're going to get into beyond visual line of sight operations and avionics technician training and stuff, just to support this new industry that's continuing to grow.
Now, what UAS stands for what?
Uncrewed Aerial System.
Okay.
So yeah, commonly known as drones.
Of course, yep.
So when this industry came out and all these fancy words started flying around, uncrewed or unmanned aerial systems or unmanned aerial vehicles, and nobody really knew what that was, so I think the term drone kind of just stuck.
Well, yes, it did, yeah.
So,
but now uncrewed, I learned that here, uncrewed, so that's kind of cool.
Yeah.
And you're saying that you guys are the only school in the state of Michigan that kind of offers this type of program, right?
Well, not anymore. So there's more colleges that have come up. We're the first ones that
First ones, okay. First one that came up with it, great.
So we started actually back in 2010.
Oh, great.
And since then we've grown with the industry and have done different things and changed our program to grow with the industry. But yes, there are other colleges that are either just getting started or doing some other facets of UAS training, and the big universities are, of course, are doing a lot with like the engineering, those types of things as well.
Well, cool. Well, that's a great program, and let my viewers know that. So this has been a fascinating show. It's opened up my eyeballs to a lot of different things.
Yeah, it's been pretty awesome.
Cool. Anyway, they had some education workshops here at this conference here. This is pretty cool. This is like I said, for this expo here, Xpondential. Kind of cool. See what they have here. This is kind of a cool setup. So they've got some cool stuff here, and then they got some workshops over here for kids. We got drone competitions here. That's kind of cool. Yeah. And then some educational workshops here. Pretty cool. Yeah. This is pretty. Plymouth North High School. Over here playing these. This is pretty cool stuff. Davison High School. Pretty cool. I love it. Red Phoenix. They got some cool stuff here. So drone competition here. Okay. It's pretty cool. Okay. Oh, go check out a few more things. Have these lasers, and you can shoot down drones. So how exactly does that work? You can put it one of those on a truck or a ship, or how does that kind of work?
Yeah, so the Firefly system that we have here on display, with the videos behind me, it's a mobile, scalable, modular palletized system. and so you can transport our 10 kilowatt system in the back of a truck. It can also hook up to 208 three-phase power, so it can be fixed site acid as well. The 20 kilowatt system that we have, can be transported on a flatbed truck, or it can also be fixed site hooked up to 208 three-phase power as well.
And then how far can you usually, will the laser go that's effective to shoot something down? A mile, 2 miles, 5 miles, or how does that work?
Yeah, so there's various factors that play into the effectiveness of the laser, right? So the 10 kilowatt system, you're looking at group 1 and 2 UAS defeat capabilities, typically in the range of 1 to 2 kilometers.
Oh, okay.
With the beam control, applications that we have inside the system. 20 kilowatt systems, you're looking at a little bit further reach, right? You have, more power, more effect on target. For example, our 20 kilowatt system at an event earlier this year took down a Group 3 drone at about 2.5 kilometers.
And then like I was asking about taking down a drone, but how about like you have the explosive? They got a missile on it or a bomb on it. So can you target the missile on it or the bomb on it, or how does that work?
Yeah, if there's a device that's being carried by the aircraft, you have TTPs that you develop with operators, right? And you do training for those types of scenarios. The operator has the ability to target the munition that's on the aircraft and eliminate that as what we call a mission kill, right? You have the ability as the operator to select where on the aircraft you want to target the laser to impact. And so you can kind of eliminate a drone falling and then an explosive kinetic reaction once it gets on the ground.
And the operators of the laser, now I see right there like you got a computer room. Are they working out of a computer room, or I see like a soldier doing it mobily? You can operate them anywhere, basically, if you got a computer that's hooked up to it?
Yeah, so the operating workstation consists of your standard CPU, a monitor, right? Any ruggedized system that you may desire, and then an Xbox controller, right? That's kind of how that's the operating controller of the system.
And how long have you guys been, in business making these and the whole deal?
Yeah, so we started these projects kind of in the late 2019s, early 2000s, right? We've had several years.
20 years. Yeah. 25 years. Yeah.
So, probably 6 to 7 years since we started.
Oh, okay, just 6, 7 years.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, cool.
We were the lead system integrator for the DEM SHORAD program on the Army side, if you're familiar with that program.
Okay.
So we took a lot of that experience and things that we saw that program and some of the operational hazards, right, and happenings in the world, and realized that there was a need for a capability like Firefly.
Well, cool. Well, thank you for all the information. Like I said, I was here to see all this in the news, so to kind of see some of the videos on here has been really cool. And the information, I appreciate it. This was all about a lot of drones, like right here. We've got a drone there, carry 550 pounds and go 435 miles. This Xpondential show is a lot about drones and the technology that comes with it. It's been highly fascinating. For military, people taking pictures of their booth. I've been mesmerized being here. This has been pretty cool. I don't know what's exactly in here, but this has been quite the exhibit. The whole thing and all the drones and everything else. It's been pretty cool. Like right there's a drone. Looks like a helicopter, but it's a drone. They make them, like I said, lifelike, yet they are operated by somebody else from a different place altogether. So it's been pretty interesting to see what has been done with all these drones. I am like mesmerized by it. This is Latvia. We got companies from other parts of the world. As Latvia does it, the leader of Drone Coalition for Ukraine. That's pretty cool. This is one of this helicopter here. Mission ready. It's amazing what they can do. Wow, wait, it is Really is something. Well, we'll keep looking around. My camera died for a while, so I had to get it recharged. The vampire drone. $25 million. What it can do. Wow. This is some pretty cool stuff here. No docking. Existing docking ready. Machines here. It's pretty cool. Michigan Office of Defense and Aerospace. The robotics. This is a pretty cool setup, what they've got here. I should ask this guy. And like I said, you've got this helicopter here. Yep.
Hey, how you doing, man? So, expert meeting with Treasurer. What's your sit-down?
Stuff, computers that go with it. This is the Detroit Defense truck. They call it Beyond the Mission, Beyond the Challenge. Detroit, where precision meets pressure. They call it, but it's just the name of their company. But anyway, all part of this Michigan defense area. Got the helicopters there. So this was about drones, military items they use in the production of all this stuff. It's pretty cool. I was definitely impressed by being here. Definitely, it was pretty damn cool. Here, yep, they're drone everywhere. Drones are pretty cool. Yep. Well, they're kind of closing up. I got here kind of late, so, but it is what it is. I got to see some cool stuff while I was here. Yep, this was a pretty cool show, to say the least. Army was here, of course. GD Land Systems, Ground Vehicles Systems, Small Business Administration. Well, things are winding down now, so I didn't get here early enough, but that's okay. You can't see everything every day. Sierra Army Depot. Kind of cool what they do with the old stuff. No longer is needed. A Rock Island Arsenal. Yep, that's outside of Moline. Yep.
And then what I can do, that's
Drone at work. Seeing what it can see. That's pretty cool. Yep. Yep. Wow. Drone. They come in all in there. Here's a surveillance system. There's drones you can put that they can make anything. K-Drone World out of Seoul. I didn't get a lot of time here, so drone dominance. United States military. Rugged intelligence. It's been kind of interesting just wandering through this thing. Right there, another drone there. using radar. That's interesting. This here exhibiting, kind of cool. Interesting. Yeah. Still, 3 o'clock is when they close up. I'm just kind of wandering through as things are closing up. Pretty cool.
Some of the people we work with.
Being your UAV have capabilities into the ocean. Mobile comm. So I'm just seeing there's another drone there. They got so many different ways of drone flights. It's very interesting. Now, not just a bit, but a dual vision system. Taiwan here. Michigan Air, Battle Creek Unlimited. If I can find. There's one people I wanted. Oh, here's the guy I wanted to interview. Okay, I'm hoping he can tell me about it. Was the Xpondential exhibit. Here's another one of their drones. It's been pretty cool. I am totally mesmerized after seeing all this, and it's been pretty cool here. Things are just kind of cleaning up here. People are got their drones, putting them away. We're heading out here. I'll go out the main exit so we can just see what all it's about. So there was a lot of interesting stuff here that even I've been around the planet a lot of times. Download the 2026 app. Here's what it was all set up about. More drones, like I said, uncrewed aerial systems, but also vehicles, a little bit of everything. In Michigan Office of Defense and Aerospace Innovation. So that was all over the place here. And got some shirts here if I can take one. The Xpondential show. MDEX, and we're out here at the lobby with on-site registration, like I said, Xpondential, and all kinds of different things with it. I'm telling you, this was quite a show. Only I just did not have enough time. Used a variety of things, but like I said, some stuff I slightly worked with. There is new technology coming out every single day. The technology event, autonomy, autonomy, Xpondential, feature MDEX, which is Michigan Department. Welcome right there. Xpondential 2026. Pretty cool, yeah.